Book fair. Book fairs is there are varieties books, a lot of stall. There are gathered of many persons who likes book, and they are thinking that books are their friend. We have need to progressive our life to aggregate the knowledge of these books. So the persons are crowd there for ambitions to progressive their life to aggregate in the instructions to the books. So book fair is the popular and famous a fair. Birds characteristics. Birds are flying in the sky. The birds' characteristics almost same. Their wings and their four legs, and they are very brightest colorful, and their eat is same process such as they like green corn and insect. Rice. Rice obtained from the paddy. The rice is grow up in the wet and hot climate. We like rice, and it is the popular food of our life. We have making the rice and the boiling waters uses. The rices gives us energy and protein. Flower. The flowers look varieties, colorful and very nice. It is blooming at the early. There are fresh air and frequency the air move. In this fresh air, the flowers are blooming, which is like just very excellent. The flowers are uses the varieties occasions, and it is most popular to uses in these occasions. The dogs disturbed by the children. Some children are disturbed the dogs. Their moves in the street. Their disturb the dogs, and stones falling to the dogs. As a result, when the dog is biting, and the responsibility of the some boys or girls, so the parents should be most carefully to this matter, because the naughty boys or girls annoyed continued to them. How are you? I am well, thank you. What is your new job? I am joining a teacher's job. Why are you thinking that it is the best job? Because the teacher's responsibility is most to inform a society and gives instructions and knowledge to their students. So I am thinking that it is a perfect and ideal job. Why are you leaving the old job? Because it was a distance problem, so I faced a problem and low incomes. What is your hobby? When I have a time, I like to study different varieties books to acquire knowledge and instructions. How do you spend your weekend days? In weekend days, I have very relaxed and take rest most time and sleeping because the rest of the days I have very working, so in these weekend days I have take rest and enjoy with my friends. How do you spend today? Today I have a very working and I would be very busy. So I have not time to take more rest. এই গাল গালতে বার করো। What is your ambition? My best ambition is to give knowledge and instructions and making good persons to my students, and thus I want to should be making a educated society. What is the ambitions of the social informal? The different social informal, but their main ambitions are to protect our society and carefully and conscious to inform our society. India is the diversity of unity. The varieties customs, such as different customs, are lived in a unity, and they have been celebrations, the varieties festivals, and involve them in these festivals. There are different languages, different cultures, different customs, different characteristics, but their same thinking is to live all together and celebration the varieties customs festival. Durga Puja is the great festival of us. But the varieties customs who live in India, they are involved to celebration this great puja, and in these days they are forget all things, and they are informed the associations and celebrations it closely and mixed a group of persons. They are involving in this puja to enjoy and plenty enjoys. They should be same thinking to celebration this. The cows a large body, 4 legs, 2 horns, and white or brown, and cow baby named calf. The cow is most useful animal. They give us milk and it uses to milk products. And cow gives us cow dung to uses fuel cakes. Cow is a domestical animal and useful animal. The patriotics who were involving to independence our land, our country, we should be regarded all times and memorable to their sacrifice. I have getting a freedom India for their great sacrifice. They give blood to freedom this country.